Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutors India. In this video, we'll be discussing an interesting topic, that is, what is HRIS? Imagine running a company where all employee records, payroll details, attendance tracking and recruitment information are stored on a paper and separate Excel sheets. Sounds chaotic, right? Managing HR tasks manually can be time consuming, error prone and difficult to track. That's where HRIS, that is Human Resource Information Systems, comes in. So, wasting no time, let's understand what exactly HRIS is and what are the importance and benefits of HRIS. What is HRIS? Human Resource Information System, that is HRIS, is a digital platform that helps organizations manage their HR processes, employee data and administrative tasks in an efficient, automated way. Think of it as an all-in-one HR management system that centralizes everything from hiring to payroll processing. Simply to put, HRIS is like a super smart assistant for HR teams. It stores, organizes, and automates HR tasks so businesses can focus on their people rather than paperwork. Now let's break down why HRIS is so important for modern business. Centralized data management. Traditionally, HR departments keep employee records in files, spreadsheets, or multiple software systems, making it hard to track data. Now, HRS stores all HR data in one place, making it easy to access, manage, and check. For employee details and payroll information to performance records, everything is just a few clicks away. Process automation. Previously, HR teams spent hours on repetitive tasks like payroll calculations, leave tracking, and recruitment paperwork. Currently, HRS automates these tasks, saving time and reducing manual errors. This allows HR teams to focus on more strategic activities like employee engagement and development. Complaints and reporting. Earlier, companies need to follow labor laws like tax regulations, working hours, and benefits. Missing out on complaints can lead to legal issues and penalties. In present, HRIS helps business stay compliant by automating tax deductions, overtime calculations, and generating reports required for audits. Data accuracy and security. Manual data entry increases the risk of errors in payroll, attendance, and employee records. Sensitive HR data can also be lost and accessed by unauthorized users. Currently, HRIS ensures data accuracy by reducing human errors and protects sensitive employee information with security features like role-based access control and encryption. Employee self-service. HR teams receive hundreds of requests from employees to update personal details, download salary slips, or check leave balances. Now, currently, with HRIS, employees can update their own information, check payslips, request leaves, and track attendance through Employee Self-Service Portal, reducing HR workload. In summary, what we can say is that HRIS is a digital system that helps businesses streamline HR operations by storing employee data, automating tasks, and improving decision making. It eliminates paperwork, enhances efficiency, and ensures compliance with labor laws. HRIS provides data security, reduces errors, and allows employees to manage their own HR related activities through self-service portals. Evolution of HRIS from manual to digital systems. Now let us understand the evolution of HRIS from earlier days where you used to do manually now to the digital systems where you are doing automatically. Have you ever wondered how companies manage HR tasks before digital systems existed? Imagine HR teams manually keeping track of employee records, payroll calculations, and attendance logs, all on paper. Over the years, HR management has evolved from manual paperwork to highly advanced digital systems powered by AI and automation. Let's take a journey the evaluation of HRIS and understand how it transformed HR processes. Early HR management, manual systems. Before computers and HR softwares, organizations relied on manual record keeping methods. HR teams used paper files, spreadsheets, and logbooks to maintain employee information. Storing employee records in physical files took up space and was hard to organize. Payroll calculations were done manually, increasing the risk of errors. Tracking attendance and leave required employees to sign registers, which was time consuming. As companies grew in size, handling tasks became more complex and difficult to scale. For example, imagine an HR team managing a company with 500 employees without digital tools. Each month, they would manually calculate salaries, update attendance records, and process leave requests, all by hand. A single mistake in payroll could lead to salary disputes and dissatisfaction among employees. Introduction of basic HR software during 1980s and 1990s. With the rise of computers in 1980s and 1990s, companies started using basic HR softwares to manage employees' data more efficiently. Shift from physical records to digital spreadsheets, that's Excel and database. Introduction of standalone software for payroll, attendance, and employee records. And HR tasks like salary calculations and tax deduction become faster and more accurate. For example, instead of using a calculator for processing salaries, HR teams started using Microsoft Excel and database software to manage employee details digitally. However, these early HR tools were still limited. They worked on separate systems, meaning payroll, attendance, and employee records were not interconnected. Rise of integrated HR systems during 2000 and 2010s. By the early 2000 and 2010s, companies realized the need for a single integrated system that could manage multiple HR functions in one place. Developing a web-based HR systems that combine different HR processes, cloud-based HRIS solutions made data accessible from anywhere. Integrated payroll, benefit management, and compliance tracking, and HR professional could now generate reports and insights in real time. For example, an organization using cloud-based HRIS could access employee attendance, payrolls, and benefits on single dashboard, eliminating the need to switch between multiple systems. This era marked the true transformation of HRIS, making HR operations faster, more accurate, and highly efficient. Integration with payroll, benefits management, and compliance tracking. HR professionals could now generate reports and insights in real time. For example, an organization using a cloud-based HRIS could access employee attendance, payroll, and benefits on a single dashboard, eliminating the need to switch between multiple systems. This era marked the true transformation of HRIS, making HR operations faster, accurate, and highly efficient. Modern AI-driven and cloud HRIS 2020 and beyond. With the rise of artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced analytics, modern HRIS solutions have become more powerful than ever. AI-powered analytics help HR teams make data-driven decisions. Mobile-friendly HRIS applications enable remote workforce management. Automated workflows for onboarding, performance tracking, and compliance reporting. Predictive analytics helps in workforce planning and identifying future HR needs. For example, a company using HRIS and AI-driven HRIS can predict employee attrition by analyzing past data, enabling HR teams to take proactive measures to improve employee retention. Today's HRIS solutions are not just about storing HR data. They provide insights, automation, and strategic tools to enhance overall workforce management. In short, what we can say is that HR management evolved from manual paperwork to digital systems to make HR tasks faster and more efficient. Early HR systems were basic software solutions for payroll attendance. But in 2000s, HRIS integrated platforms introduced that combine with multiple HR functions. And in modern HRIS solutions, use AI, automation, and cloud technology for real-time insights and decision making. Key features and components of HRIS. A HRIS, that is Human Resource Information Systems, is not just a database for storing employee information. It is a comprehensive platform that helps HR teams manage payroll, track attendance, streamline recruitment, enhance performance management, and ensure compliance. In this video, we will break down the core features and components of HRIS, explaining how they simplify HR operations and improve workforce management. Employee data management. At the heart of every HRIS is employee data management, which serves as the centralized source of all employee-related information. The key functionalities are: it stores personal details, job history, salary details, emergency contacts, and benefits information. It also manages important documents like employment contracts, performance reviews, and certifications. It also provides secure access to employee records, reducing paperwork and ensuring data accuracy. For example, HR can instantly access the employee promotion history, salary changes, and training certification without searching through files. Payroll and compensation management. Managing payroll manually can be complex, time-consuming, and prone on errors. HRIS automates employee payroll processing to ensure accurate and timely salary payments. The key functions includes automated salary calculations based on employee attendance, overtime, and deductions, tax compliance and benefits administration ensuring adherence to labor laws, and integration with banking systems for direct salary deposits. For example, HRIS automatically calculates tax deductions and bonuses and incentives, reducing manual efforts and ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Then comes time and attendance management. Tracking employee working hours, attendance, and shifts is essential for payroll processing and workforce planning. The key functionalities are biometrics and online attendance tracking for real-time monitoring, automated shift scheduling and overtime management, and tracking remote employees' attendance using mobile apps. For example, an HRIS system linked to a biometric scanner can automatically record employee in and out times, reducing redundant time entries. Recruitment and Applicant Tracking System (ATS). Finding and hiring the right talent is crucial for any organization. HRIS with applicant tracking system, that is ATS, makes recruitment more efficient. The key functionalities are job posting and application tracking on company websites and job portals. It also helps in resume parsing to automatically extract candidates' details, and also helps in interviewing scheduling and automated email communication with the candidates. For example, instead of manually shortlisting candidates, HRS scans thousands of resumes and filters top candidates based on job requirements. Performance management. HRS enables organizations to track employee performance and ensure continuous improvement. The functionalities include goal setting and performance reviews for employees, 360-degree feedback of peers and managers, evaluations, and helps in performance appraisal tracking with automated reports. For example, HRIS can generate real-time performance reports to track whether employees are meeting their KRAs, allowing HR to take corrective actions if needed. Learning and development (L&D). Employee training and development are essential for skill enhancement and career growth. HRS helps in managing training platforms and programs and certifications. The key functionalities provides online training modules and e-learning integration, tracks employee certification and skills to identify training needs, and also generates progress reports for employee learning. For example, a company using HRIS can assign mandatory compliance training to new employees and track who has completed it. Compliance and reporting. Organizations must comply with local labor laws, tax regulations, and workplace policies. HRIS helps businesses to stay compliant by automating compliance tracking and reporting. The key functionalities helps in monitoring compliance with labor laws, that is working hours, overtime, and minimum wages, and also helps in generating HR analytics dashboards and custom reports for audits, ensuring GDPR and data security compliance. For example, an HRI system can automatically generate compliance reports for tax authorities, reducing the risk of legal penalties. In short, what we can say is that employee data management keeps all HR records in centralized systems, payroll and compensation management automates salary processing and tax compliance, time and attendance tracking ensures accurate working hours monitoring, recruitment and ATS simplifies hiring process and improves candidate experience, performance management allows tracking of employee goals and feedback, learning and development helps in employee training and career growth, compliance and reporting ensures compliance follow labor laws and regulations. Difference between HRIS, HCM and HRMS. When choosing HR software solution, business often come across HRIS, HCM and HRMS. These terms are closely related, but they have distinct functions and purposes. In this video, we will learn what is HRIS, HCM, HRMS means, how they differ in terms of functionality and scope, which system is best suited for different business sizes and needs. HRIS, Human Resource Information Systems. A human resource information system, that is HRIS, is a basic HR software designed to store and manage employee records, payroll, benefits, and compliance data. The core functionalities include employee data management, where personal details, job roles, and salaries are maintained. Payroll and benefits administration, where salary calculations, tax deductions, and leave management are done. Then compliance tracking ensures legal adherence to labor laws. For example, a small business ensures an HRIS to maintain employee records, process payrolls, and track attendance, reducing the paperwork. It is best for small to mid-sized businesses that need a structured HR database without advanced workforce management features. Then comes HCM, Human Capital Management. HCM is a broader strategic HR function that includes HRS functions plus workforce optimization and talent management. The core functionalities include recruiting, onboarding, career path mapping under talent acquisition and success planning, and training, performance management and leadership programs under workforce planning and development, and finally surveys, rewards, recognition and workforce analytics under employee engagement and retention. For example, a mid-sized company using HCM software can automate hiring, track employee engagement levels, and create succession plans to promote internal talent. This is best for a mid to large enterprises that focus on long-term workforce development and employee retention. Then comes HRMS, Human Resource Management Systems. HRMS is the most comprehensive HR system combining HRIS, HCM functionalities while adding advanced analytics, automation, and compliance management. The core functionalities include payroll, benefits, time tracking, complaints, and analytics under end-to-end HR management. Then it also consists of predictive HR insights for decision making, which comes under AI-powered workforce analytics. And then finally, multi-country payroll and compliance, which comes under global workforce management. For example, a large multinational company uses an HRMS to automate payroll for thousands of employees across multiple locations while ensuring compliance with different labor laws. This is best for large enterprises that need advanced workforce analytics, global HR management, and automation. In short, what we can say is that HRIS is a basic software for managing employee records, payroll, and benefits. HRM is a combination of HRIS plus workforce management and talent optimization for employees' growth. And HRMS is a combination of HCM plus advanced analytics, automation, and compliance tracking for large organizations. Benefits of HRIS implementation. Let us understand what are the benefits of implementing HRIS. A human resource information system, that is HRIS, is more than just a digital employee database. It streamlines HR processes, enhances compliance, and improves decision making for organizations. In this video, we will explore the key benefits of HRIS and how it positively impacts HR teams, employees, and business operations. Efficiency and automation. HRIS automates repetitive HR tasks, reducing manual work and increasing efficiently. It helps in payroll automation, that is, automatically calculates salaries, tax deductions, and benefits. It also helps in leaves and attendance management, where employees can request leave and managers can approve it instantly. Then finally, it also helps in performance tracking, where it automates performance reviews and feedback collection. Improved decision making. HRIS provides real-time data analytics to help HR teams and managements make informed decisions. It helps in workforce planning, where it predicts staffing needs and based on data trends. It also helps in employee productivity insights, where they can identify top performance and areas of improvement. And finally, helps in turnover analysis, where they can track resignations patterns and develop retention strategies. Enhance compliance and security. HRIS ensures organizations comply with labor laws and protects sensitive employee data. It helps in labor law compliance by tracking legal requirements, for example, overtime laws and tax filings. It also helps in audit trails by keeping a history of HR transactions for compliance checks, and also it helps in role-based access control, that is RBAC, which is the only authorized personnel who can access certain HR data. Employee engagement and experience. HRIS improves employee satisfaction by offering self-service portals and better communication. It helps employee self-service ESS, where employees can update personal details, download payslips, and check leave balances. It also helps in HR support, where employees can raise queries and track requests online. It also helps in transparent employee management, where employees receive regular feedback and goal tracking. Cost saving. HRIS reduces administrative cost and minimizes manual errors, leading to financial savings for the organization. It helps in less paperwork, where digital records eliminate the need of physical files. It also helps in fewer manual errors, where automated payroll reduces miscalculations and incur payments. It also helps in optimizing HR operations, where fewer HR personnel are needed to handle routine tasks. We can summarize in stating that HRIS reduces manual work and speeds up HR tasks with efficiency and automation. And real-time analytics helps HR to make strategic workforce decisions, ensures labor law compliance and protect employee data. Self-service portals empower employees and improve satisfaction. And finally, reduces paperwork, HR workload, and administrative expenses. So dear friends, hope you understood what is HRIS, what is the importance of HRIS, and difference between HRIS, HCM, and HRMS. And also we have understood the benefits of implementation of HRIS. So friends, if you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all the queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.